can talk for mommy. Are you gonna talk for mommy? You can talk for mommy. Yeah. Hey. 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 Oh, yes. Yeah. Hi. Say hi. Where's your smiles? Oh, yeah. Good spit up. It's okay. Come here. Did you see the snow outside today, Mavic? Did you see that snow? Let's look at the snow. Oh, look at the snow. Yeah. Look at that snow. It's March 27th, I think. Almost April. And we got a blizzard. Yeah, we got a blizzard. Hey, what's up? That's what it looked like the day we brought you home from the hospital, huh? Yeah, I know some smiles. I know some smiles. Almost. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Hi.